Make a great choice today with the 2020 S6. When it comes to creating the benchmark in luxury and performance, the Audi S6 stands alone. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, air suspension. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.